Hi guys, this is Tom. I am coming to you from my house and making this video because we're supposed to make a video and show that we can. This is actually the first video I've ever made. So let's go. We as nursing educators, uh, to be, have moved into the 21st century of education. Well, at least in the past couple months, we've moved into the 21st century. I know for me, it's pretty much been brand new. Some of us are already conducting formal education. Personally, not me. Mine is pretty much impromptu. It's at the bedside. It's one-on-one. It's one-on-three. Little instructional sessions on things, nerve blocks, how they work, how epidurals really work, and how the pumps work for epidurals. So we were always taught as nurses, do not touch the IV pump, the epidural pump. Do not touch the epidural tubing. Call anesthesia. Well, I just learned something a couple of years ago that RNs are allowed to touch the pump, and then we are allowed to touch the tubing, and we are allowed to change the bag, and we're expected to. The only thing is that for the past couple decades, we never touched it, and my job entails as the pain nurse is to change all those bags. There's not a lot of them in the hospital at one time, but it's more than an 8-hour job. So I need to delegate to the charge nurses on the floors that normally get epidurals how to do them, how to change them. They're more than receptive. They just don't want to break any rules. So I also found out, like I said, there was no policy within the institution. It's legal in Pennsylvania for nurses to change bags, epidural bags, but it's not in our policy. So nobody wants to break a rule. So as of last week, it became policy, and as of next week, I'll be sending out a video, Screenomatic, on exactly what buttons to push and how to reset an epidural pump. So this will be an instructional video. It can be viewed at their leisure whenever they want to, whenever they want to, and as many times as they want to. So in sending out this video, I'm kind of excited because I made this video. Um, it's kind of cool. So I think I recorded this on top of the Space Odyssey, and trying to get this to coincide or sync has been next to impossible. So this is about my fifth attempt to try to get these two things to sync together. So I would just like to thank everybody. Give ourselves a big old pat on the back. Robin, Jeanette, for helping me successfully complete this course. Conquer our fears of technology. And Dr. Thies, thank you very much. I've actually learned a lot watching these or playing with these things. Obviously, there's a huge learning curve, and once we get to use them much more and on a more frequent basis, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Make my job a lot more exciting than it already is. Thank you. Bye bye.